So here you can see that I have an audio, and if I were to press the play button, this is what I hear. So let's say what I want to do is I want an echo effect, and in that case I can go around under effects right here, and under the audio folder you can see that echo is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then you can see that echo is here. So if I were to press the play button, you get a bit of echo option, as you can see right here. So you can go around and change around the left and right channel and change around the gain as well. Press the play button. And that is the effect. You can change around the delay right here and the fall off, and also the number of echoes, as you can see right here. So once I do that, and if I were to press the play button, you can hear out that the echo is different. So if I were to go around and change it and press the play button, then this is what you have as a final result, as you can see right here. Apart from echo, what you can also do is you can go around and add in equalizer effect. So let me just go around over here under effect, and let's just go to equalizer, as you can see right here. So what equalizer allows you to do is it allows you to change out frequency of the audio. So let's say, for example, if I were to play this, right now it's quite normal, but let's say I'm going to change around the high frequencies right here and bring down the lower frequencies, as you can see right here. So once I do that and press the play button, the high frequency plays out while the low frequencies doesn't. You can also choose preset right here, like you can go for vocal cut. You can go around over here and go for vocal boost over here. So 2000 Hz is where the vocals are usually. And if I were to go for a simple bass cut right here, then there's a bass cut. Let me just go for bass lift. Then bass cut right here. And you can see that the bass actually means the lower range of hertzes right here. You can also go around and change around, let's say for example, make it low pass right here. So you only have the bass playing out right here, and you can also go for bass boost right here. So there's more bass, as you can see, and you can also go for 1965 type of audio for more of a traditional audio feel. So that is what you have, as you can see. So you can go for low fidelity, and then you can go around and change around the frequency as per how you want. And as per how you want, you can work around with echo and equalizer effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.